Do you want to start an affiliate marketing business this year? And do you want to know who has the best affiliate marketing course? Then you're watching the right video, because I'm going to show you the top 3 affiliate marketing courses for beginners. And I will show you what I like, what I don't like, and what my #1 recommendation is. So let's get started. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where we give you the tools, the tips, and the strategies to start an online affiliate marketing business, because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that bell so you're notified whenever I put out my weekly videos. I'm assuming if you are watching this video, you know what affiliate marketing is. But if you don't, quite simply, affiliate marketing is where you recommend someone else's products or services, and if someone buys that product or service through you, you earn a commission. And affiliate marketing is my favorite way to start an online business, because you don't have to worry about product creation, inventory, customer service complaints, technical questions. All you have to do is create content. So whether it's a blog post, a YouTube video, a Facebook post, Instagram, and you recommend the products you already use and love. Now, one of the reasons I like these 3 courses is because they all stress, and this is very important, that just like any business, this will take time. And if you want to build a long-term affiliate marketing business, then you're going to have to do the required work. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Unfortunately, there are too many people out there claiming that they have an affiliate marketing business and course, and they are selling crap. Now, if anyone is telling you that they will help you get rich quickly, don't walk away, run. Now, unfortunately, I've bought a lot of the garbage courses and I've wasted money. And more importantly, the time I'm not going to get back. But fortunately for you, you can learn from my mistakes, because I found 3 courses that deliver on their promise, which is to show you how to start and grow a profitable business. However, there's one that not only gives you the strategies you need, but this course goes a step further and mentally prepares you for the journey ahead. And I will tell you what that course is coming up. So let's start with number 3 of my top 3 courses, and that is Franklin Hatchett's Savage Affiliates 2.0. First, who is Franklin Hatchett? Well, if you aren't new to affiliate marketing, then chances are you have seen him on YouTube, because he's one of the most successful online entrepreneurs. Franklin is a self-made multimillionaire and founder of Online Dimes and Ecom Elites. He started his online business after working for a job he hated, but it wasn't until 2015 when he posted a YouTube video that went viral that his business took off. He learned about dropshipping and became very successful, and after some time he began to teach others how to do the same. He now has 3 different courses, all teaching students how to make tens of thousands of dollars a month using affiliate marketing and dropshipping. And Franklin's not just someone who has created a course to sell, he does what he teaches. His Savage Affiliates 2.0 course is a complete affiliate marketing course that will teach you everything you need to know to grow a successful affiliate marketing business. Savage Affiliates 2.0 is divided into 10 different modules with bonus sections. Overall, there are almost 100 videos in this course. This course will teach you how to create your web assets, how to do ClickBank affiliate marketing, how to make money with Amazon Associates, how to make money with ClickFunnels, how to do SEO to get free traffic, and how to drive traffic using paid ads. And he gives you many bonuses that you can use to promote your business. I highly recommend this course for anyone that wants to create a blog to do affiliate marketing. And this course, you will learn everything related to affiliate marketing. This course is the most in-depth course out there, and everything is covered and nothing is missed. Now, what I don't like about Savage Affiliates 2.0, in my opinion, the biggest strength of this course is also the weakness. There is so much information that beginners can get totally overwhelmed. You need to have a clear direction on where you want to start, because you can't possibly implement every strategy that Hatchett teaches you in this course. So my advice is to pick a few and focus on those before moving on to another strategy. The other criticism I have of this course is his private Facebook group. It's not very active, and unlike other courses I've taken, you don't get a lot of access to Franklin. His community is large, but in my experience, not very helpful. Now, what I like about Savage Affiliates 2.0 is Franklin Hatchett. He's a large benefit to the program, and he delivers his material in a straightforward, interesting way. He does what he teaches, and he does it successfully. Another thing I really love about this course is the cost. As of recording this video, it's only $297, and I've seen other courses charge well over $1,000 for less content. For the price of a night out on the town, you can get this training that can possibly help you earn over $1 million a year in affiliate marketing commissions. So in conclusion, Savage Affiliates 2.0 is one of the most comprehensive affiliate marketing training courses available today. Priced at $297, the amount of information it contains is a blessing as well as a curse because it can overwhelm beginners. However, if you're a beginner with a solid business plan and know what strategy you want to implement, then this course will give you everything you could possibly want to know. All right, course number 2 is Spencer Mecum's Affiliate Secrets 2.0. Now, Spencer is the real deal. He's an affiliate marketing guru. He was the first person to hit $1 million in ClickFunnels affiliate commissions, and he did it in 18 months. And if you spent any time in the ClickFunnels ecosystem, then Spencer's name has come up. He was featured in their affiliate bootcamp, and he was also featured in Russell Brunson's latest book, which is the 30-Day Plan book. He doesn't just promote ClickFunnels, he has been very successful promoting other products as well. And he will teach you exactly what he does in his course. So what is Affiliate Secrets 2.0? Well, it's a complete soup to nuts affiliate marketing course taught by Spencer. Affiliate Secrets 2.0 is a series of video lessons divided amongst 8 different modules, and there are also different resources and other bonus material sprinkled throughout the modules. In this course, he will give you the blueprint for creating a passive, full-time income from affiliate marketing. He will teach you the same strategies he's used to win the ClickFunnels Dream Car contest, make over $1 million in ClickFunnels commissions, and quit his 9-to-5 job. I highly recommend this course for anyone that wants to start a YouTube channel and learn a step-by-step plan to build an affiliate marketing business. The course is also perfect for anyone that wants to promote ClickFunnels, as the training is centered around that platform. However, you don't have to exclusively promote ClickFunnels. You can take what Spencer teaches you and apply it to any niche you choose. Now, what I don't like about Affiliate Secrets 2.0 is the price. Now, compared to Savage Affiliates, this course is more expensive. And as I'm recording this, the price is $897, which can be steep for some beginners. Also, the only other criticism I have of the course is some of the material is outdated. Now, specifically the AdWords section where he talks about bidding for ClickFunnels keywords. And unfortunately, ClickFunnels changed their policies and no longer allows this. However, this is the issue with anyone creating a course. It's a lot of work and it takes a lot of time. And the industry is always changing, and you can create a course today only to have some information outdated tomorrow. So what do I like about Affiliate Secrets 2.0? Well, first, you can access a few modules of his course for free, and I'll leave a link down below where you can go check that out. I also like how Spencer presents the information in a very logical, step-by-step manner. There's also a ton of information in this course. For instance, the traffic section alone had to have its own mini course, and there's no way that I or any beginner can implement all the strategies at once. There's that much information. I also like how Spencer teaches you everything he did to become a super affiliate. He doesn't hide anything. And I was taking this course, I often thought to myself, wow, he's sharing too much of his strategies. I also like how Spencer brought in other experts to teach areas that he himself wasn't comfortable teaching. To me, that is just the mark of a great course creator. He wanted to make sure everyone who goes through his course gets maximum value for the money they invested. And finally, what I like about Affiliate Secrets 2.0 is Spencer himself. He makes this course amazing. You would think that with all his success, Spencer wouldn't have time to interact with any of his students, but this isn't true. He's one of the most down-to-earth gurus I've come across, and his Facebook group is a super active and supportive group. Not to mention, Spencer's on there daily helping students and non-students alike. So in conclusion, Affiliate Secrets 2.0 is a bit on the expensive side, but you are learning from the best. His course is one of the most comprehensive affiliate marketing training programs out there. His course has helped dozens of students qualify for the ClickFunnels Dream Car contest. And if you want to learn more, I'll leave a link down below for his free course and his free webinar. All right, finally, my #1 recommended course for affiliate marketing goes to Zach Crawford's Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks. Now, this was a really tough decision between Zach and Spencer, but I'll show you in a minute why I gave a nod to Zach. Now, you might not have heard of Zach Crawford like you have Franklin and Spencer, but Zach is okay with that. Zach Crawford is a normal Joe just like you and me. He's a bulldog-loving man who started his online journey back in 2006 after nearly being killed by a drunk driver in a motorcycle accident. Unlike most gurus out there, Zach is a relatable guy that comes from a loving family. Like most beginners, he started his business out of a burning desire for time and financial freedom. And like most of us, he started while working a job he hated. He wanted to quit the 9-to-5 rat race. Now, I was first introduced to Zach a few months ago after starting my own YouTube channel. And I was researching affiliate marketing topics and came across his videos.
Hey, what's going on? Zach Crawford here.
And I was immediately drawn to his personality because he was unlike any other guru out there, as his videos are full of actionable content. And it was clear to me that he not only taught affiliate marketing, but he practiced everything he preached. I also really like his no-nonsense approach. Now, this rubs some people the wrong way, but he tells you what you need to hear regarding this business, not what you want to hear. So I joined his Facebook group and was blown away after he went live in his group. He teaches exactly what he does in his business, not just theory, but his exact strategy. And anyone that is a member of his Facebook group can submit their content to him and he evaluates it and provides input. You don't need to be a student of his course. So after that one live video, which lasted over 90 minutes, I purchased a Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks. And since then, I've gone on to become a private student of his. So what is Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks? Well, Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks is a group coaching program taught by Zach Crawford. And in this program, you will learn how to become a super affiliate in whatever niche you choose. It will teach you the mindset you need to get started, what niche you should choose, how to create content, and how to market your content. Zach will teach you the exact strategies he has used to build a 7-figure business, which allowed him to quit that job he hated so much and gain financial freedom. He breaks everything down for you in an easy to follow step-by-step manner. Zach also gives you the tools he used to create his business so you can get the results faster than if you tried to learn the business on your own. So in a nutshell, Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks is a comprehensive training program that will change your life. I recommend this program for anyone who wants to learn everything about affiliate marketing, anyone that has tried another course but didn't get the results, anyone who wants to build a side income or a full-time income, anyone who is willing to put in the time and effort necessary to succeed, anyone who is willing to take massive amounts of action to implement what Zach teaches, and people with a can-do mindset. Now, not all course creators are perfect, and Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks is no different. So here are some of the things I don't like about this course. First, the price is the heaviest of the three, and it's $997, and that includes all those bonuses. But Zach himself has spent well in excess of $200,000 on courses, and he's taken over a decade of work and condensed it down for us. There's also a heavy emphasis on ClickFunnels, and Zach teaches you how to use the program. And although I believe you need a sales funnel builder to be successful with affiliate marketing, there are other options. But Zach mentions this himself and says that if another sales funnel builder comes along that beats the price and function of ClickFunnels, he will switch, but he hasn't seen one yet. Now, what I like about Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks is there's loads of information. There's just a lot of good information in this course. What I also like about this course is Zach himself. Like Spencer, I find him to be very down to earth, very relatable, and very approachable, which is unheard of for most gurus. Zach also offers private coaching, which to me is well worth it, but not something many other course creators offer. But this is something you can look into down the road. But there are two things that, in my opinion, set this course apart from others. The first is the private Facebook group. And I mentioned this before, but being in Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks private group is well worth the price of this course. You may go through this course several times, but your training doesn't end there because Zach goes live in the group at least once a week to offer even more training. And that training is not only informative, but motivating as well. I also love the mindset training. Zach goes into detail and gets you ready for the journey you are about to experience. Because believe me, this is not easy. And I often think this aspect of creating any business is underestimated. Before you begin the actual affiliate training in Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks, there is a whole module on the mindset you must have to start and grow a successful business. It can't be overstated enough how important this chapter is to the rest of the course and your career as an entrepreneur. I often find myself going back and watching these videos over and over whenever I need a good kick in the butt. They say that 20% of being successful in this business is attributed to your tools, your tips, your strategies, and the remaining 80% is all based on your mindset. And Zach does an amazing job in the mindset section of his course. So in conclusion, Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks will give you all you need to get started right now. Zach Crawford will teach you everything you need from the ground up. And he will get his hands dirty with you himself as he's practicing exactly what he's preaching. He's the only one that lets you copy exactly what he's doing. And if you apply the concepts that Zach teaches you and you put in the necessary work, you could be on the road to a 6 or 7 figure income. So I recommend you register for his free webinar. There's nothing to lose and you will get to meet Zach in person and you will get a good idea of his teaching style. And I'll leave a link down below where you can go check out the free webinar. So those are my top 3 affiliate marketing courses to get you started today. And like I said, affiliate marketing is one of the best online businesses you can start, especially if you are a beginner. All you need are a couple of tools, the right mindset, and the right mentor to get you started. So that's it for today's video. If you like this one, please hit that thumbs up and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And leave me a comment down below if there's an affiliate marketing course that you like better. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Marketing, then you okay. So my advice is to pick a few strategies. First, who is Hank Hanklin? And that training is not only informative, but motivating as well. Let's do that again because I didn't say informative very well.